does BONAMANA stand for? Okay, guitars. Damn, the feet is crazy. This G-Dragon? This is definitely G-Dragon, but my God. Hold up. Oh. Well, hold up.
Bonamanna, she ain't got no problems, alright. No, nah, nah, nah.
Wait, the way he's riding that guitar too on that beat. Thanks for following. It roughly translates as you can see. I wonder if the guitar will get stronger. Means obviously by Google translates. I like when he puts that Spanish guitar back. Woo! Sorry. Look, I don't listen. I just like I'm a hoe for Spanish guitars. Oh, whatever guitar that was.
No, nah, nah, nah.
Ooh. Oh, he would eat this live though. I need to see this live. Wait, this might be my favorite song. Chat. This is interesting. Sorry, I'm like literally staring at his foot while listening to this song. Wait, nah, this will eat live too, bro. This will eat live too.
She ain't got no problems, alright. No, nah, nah, nah.
Wait, this might be my favorite though. This might be my favorite.